Hello, this video is going to show you how to download Teamspeak software as well as show you how to access the Zeitgeist Movement Teamspeak server so that you can attend TZM meetings over the web using the Teamspeak software. So, to start, you're at google.com, just search TZM Teamspeak, and it's going to be your first link up here. Just click on that. It'll take you to the main website with some Teamspeak information down here. This video is an outdated version of how to install Teamspeak software on a PC. Even if you are on a PC, keep following along in this video. The installation process is going to be similar. Plus I have a few tips on how to use Teamspeak once the software is installed, so it's going to be informative regardless. So go ahead and click on the image here, or at least the non-existing image, to access the Teamspeak website. So we're always going to be downloading the client version. There is a server version, but that's essentially for the zeitgeistmovement.com. That would be somebody who is hosting the service. We are the client that is going to be accessing and using the service. So we want the client version. For Windows users, obviously if you're using a PC, download the Windows version for 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system, or if you've got Linux, you've got options down here. But we're going for Mac today, so we're going to use the OS X. Download that, and open your downloads folder down here. So you'll see this is downloading here. But I already have one downloaded, so I'm just going to move this one to the trash, and I've got one downloaded already for you up here. Just double click on that one and you'll see this. Just click and drag the application to the applications folder, and you hear that noise, and that's all you need to do as far as installing the software. So once that's done, the software is installed and you're all set for that, and you're in the Finder window here. So just go up to the applications folder and scroll down to where you see Teamspeak 3 Client. Double click to open it and press open. And so this little license will pop up. Just press accept, and then we have the setup wizard here. You're going to be able to choose a nickname. So this is going to be your display name. This is what other people will be able to identify you as. So we encourage you to use your real name and whatever location you're from. But just for example, I'm just going to put TZM member, and I'm going to say I'm from the USA. Oops, member. There we go. And press next. So this is your microphone settings. You have two options here. Your voice activation detection will automatically detect your voice the moment you begin speaking, as well as when you stop speaking, and that will enable or disable the microphone accordingly. I wouldn't recommend this option, only because if you're ever talking to somebody who's physically next to you that you don't want the people in Teamspeak to hear, then that's just going to automatically detect, and so you'll essentially be talking to everybody at that point. So you probably don't want that to happen. It's better, you'll have more control with just the push to talk. So the push to talk will just enable your microphone when you press and hold a certain hotkey that you set yourself. So in order to set this hotkey, just click on this button here, and my hotkey I'm going to set as FN, just because I wouldn't usually use that key otherwise. So just press next here. You can test your microphone if you want. Not really important now. This, not important, just press next. For the sound pack, you'll want to identify your gender. Press next. And then we're just going to uncheck these things because they're not important, and press finish. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and expand the window here just so you guys can see everything. So this is what Teamspeak looks like when you're not logged into a server. So we're going to log into the TZM server. So go up here to connections and click connect. And you'll have to enter in the server information here. So we have the server address, and this can be found on the website we were on previously with this Teamspeak information on it. Looks like this. So you come down here, highlight the zeitgeistmovement.com, copy, and paste it into here, and then come back for the password, copy that, and paste it into here, and your nickname is what you initially set up your nickname to be, and you'll just press connect, and you're connected perfectly. So once you are connected, you'll see yourself up here in the welcome lobby, and you are able to switch channels depending on what meeting you want to be a part of. So a lot of people will attend the international meetings every month. That channel is down here. You would just double click on that channel in order to join it. So now that I've joined the next international meeting channel, if there were other people in this channel, I could talk to them by using my push to talk button. So that again I set up as FN. So I'm holding down FN starting now, and you'll notice that little light lights up there, and when I take my finger off it goes dark again. So when I am holding it down, that means the microphone is taking in the sound that I'm making, and the people in this channel can hear what I'm saying. And obviously once my finger is off, they can't hear anything that I'm saying. So yeah, we have other channels here basically for national chapter meetings, but the majority of the time you'll probably go to the international meetings and you'll just create your own local chapter meetings. If you're having one of those, you can just go down here to temporary channels and just create your own temporary channel by right-clicking on the temporary channels and press create channel. And so the name of my channel is going to be local chapter meeting, and you can set a password if you want the meeting to be private, and then just send that password to whoever you plan on attending the meeting. But I'm going to skip that for now. Just write a topic, TZM meeting, and the description will be important TZM stuff. Okay, so just press OK, and you'll notice up here the name of the channel and the topic, TZM meeting, and then my description down here. For the description you can write anything you want, links to resources, a meeting agenda, anything that you want to say in the description of the channel will be displayed up here. So now anybody can join my meeting, and yeah, that's essentially how you set up a temporary channel. Now you can delete this temporary channel just by right-clicking and pressing delete channel. And press yes.
You were kicked from the channel.
You were kicked from the channel. There you go. So then it puts me back up in the welcome lobby here. So you got some buttons up here. You can toggle your away status by just pressing this button here. So that just means that I'm away from my computer now, and anybody who tries to talk to me knows that I probably won't respond because I'm away from my computer. You have a mute button up here. You can mute the microphone, or you can mute the sound that's coming from the Teamspeak software. So that's it as far as the buttons up there. Down here you have your chat function, or your chat window. So I'm in the welcome lobby, so it's going to have a tab down here for the welcome lobby chat window. I can just click on that, and so anybody that's in the welcome lobby I can text chat to. So I can just write my message here, and that'll pop up once I press enter, and anybody in this channel can see that specific message. Okay, so also the last thing I want to show you is that if you ever want to just very easily come back to the TZM server after opening Teamspeak, you can essentially set this up as a bookmark. So go to bookmarks up here, click add to bookmarks. You'll see it right there. All the information is already automatically input, the server password, the server itself. You can set your nickname so that your same nickname comes up every time, and then press OK. And then that's all you need to do. So I'll go ahead and disconnect from this server. And actually, I'll just go ahead and close Teamspeak, and then I'll reopen it to show you how to connect automatically to the bookmarked server. Okay, special message there. So just go up here to bookmarks, and it's right there. The Zeitgeist Movement official Teamspeak server. Just click on it, and you're automatically connected. And that's it. So that's how to install Teamspeak and access the TZM Teamspeak server, so you can have internet-based meetings with people all over the world. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and have a great day.